Welcome to the New Zealand Driving Theory Test. Question 1. A broken yellow line painted on the road near the curb means what? A. No overtaking. B. No parking. C. Bridge. D. Pedestrian walk. E. You may stop here as long as it does not exceed 5 minutes. The correct answer is B. Question 2. The 4-second rule should be applied when A. If the road is wet or frosty, or you are towing a trailer. B. If your back brakes are worn out. C. If you're driving faster than 90 kilometers per hour. D. Nighttime driving. The correct answer is A. Question 3. At a railway level crossing, which of these signs won't you see? A. Image _ 948 _ R1. PNG. B. Image _ 948 _ R2. PNG. C. Image _ 948 _ R3. PNG. D. Image _ 948 _ R4. PNG. The correct answer is C. Question 4. What should you do when a flock of sheep are coming toward you on a country road? Check all that apply. A. Sound your horn and keep driving, the sheep will pass. B. Slow down and be prepared to stop. C. Follow the farmer's instructions. D. Continue driving slowly with your hazard lights on. The correct answer is B. C. Question 5. What does this sign mean? A. The road surface is uneven ahead. B. There is a sharp curve in the road ahead. C. Road bump ahead. D. Slippery road ahead. The correct answer is C. Question 6. When may you turn right on a red light? A. If there's a green arrow to the right or straight ahead with no red arrow. B. If there is a red arrow point straight ahead. C. Any time as long as there is no other traffic around. The correct answer is A. Question 7. What position should your motorcycle be in when in an emergency braking situation? A. Turn hard to the right or left to keep away from danger. B. Upright. The correct answer is B. Question 8. If your vehicle is not up to warrant of fitness standard, can you be fined if it is on the road? A. Yes. B. No. The correct answer is A. Question 9. What does this sign mean? A. Train station ahead. B. Pedestrian crossing. C. Parking permitted either side of the median strip. The correct answer is B. Question 10. Before you pass another vehicle, how long should you signal for? A. 1 second. B. 4 seconds. C. 3 seconds. D. If there is another vehicle coming towards you or one coming behind you, then you need to signal. The correct answer is C. Question 11. What does this sign mean? A. A motorcycle may park to the left of this sign. B. A motorcycle may park 10 meters from this sign. C. A motorcycle can park in the direction of the arrow on the sign. D. This is a lane for motorcycles only. The correct answer is A. Question 12. A police officer has the power to arrest you at what time? Select all those that apply. A. If you don't stop when instructed. B. If you give false vehicle ownership information of the vehicle you are driving, or if you refuse to tell the police officer your name and address. C. If you refuse to have your blood or breath tested for alcohol. D. If you drive when instructed not to be a police officer. E. If you refuse to provide your car keys to an officer when requested. The correct answer is A, B, C, D, E. Question 13. If you make a sudden direction or change speed on a slippery surface, what can happen? A. You can lose control if your front wheel skids. B. You can lose control if your back wheel skids. C. You can lose control if either your front or your back wheels skid. The correct answer is C. Question 14. Is the following statement true or false? Motorcycles do not have blind spots. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is B. Question 15. What's the maximum cc of a bike that you are allowed to ride as a restricted license holder? A. 50 cc. B. 125 cc. C. 250 cc. D. 400 cc. E. 660 cc. As long as it's LAMS approved. The correct answer is E. Question 16. What is the maximum penalty for a first offense if you refuse to give blood for the purposes of an evidential blood alcohol test? A. 3 months in prison. $4,500 fine. Disqualified for 6 months or more. B. $1,500 fine. Disqualified for 6 months. C. Disqualified for 6 months. D. If you're a first-time offender, then there is no punishment. The correct answer is A. Question 17. Does the driver of the blue car have to give way? A. Yes. B. No. The correct answer is A. Question 18. A motorcyclist is required to wear what by law? Check all that apply. A. Helmet. B. Gloves. C. Reflective vest. D. Long trousers. E. Boots. The correct answer is A. Question 19. Does the blue car have to give way? A. Yes. B. No. The correct answer is B. Question 20. What does the road code suggest you do when parking downhill on a steep road? Select all that apply. A. Turn the wheels towards the curb. B. Turn your wheels away from the curb. C. Put your car in park if it has an automatic transmission, or in reverse gear if it has manual transmission. D. Turn your low beams on. E. Put your handbrake on. The correct answer is A, C, E. Question 21. Your vehicle headlights must be turned on when visibility is less than A. 50 meters. B. 100 meters. C. 200 meters. D. 250 meters. The correct answer is B. Question 22. What is the formation called when riding in groups? A. Double formation. B. Single file. C. Single file. D. Staggered formation. The correct answer is D. Question 23. What does this sign mean? A. The right side of the road. B. The middle of the road. C. The left side of the road. The correct answer is C. Question 24. When another vehicle is following too closely, what should you do? A. Make it easier for them to pass by moving to the left and slowing down. B. Drive faster so that you're not holding them up. C. Tell them to drop back by pumping your brakes. D. Turn your hazards on. The correct answer is A. Question 25. What does this sign mean? A. Motorcycles and cyclists can park to the right of the sign for 40 minutes. B. Any vehicle can park for 40 minutes to the right of the sign. C. To the right of the sign there is no parking, but to the left you can park for 40 minutes. The correct answer is B. Question 26. While driving, are you permitted to talk on a cell phone? Check all that apply. A. Yes. At any time. B. Yes. With a hands-free phone kit. C. Yes. To make an emergency call if it's unsafe to stop. D. No. The correct answer is B. C. Question 27. Which of these is best if you're in an emergency situation and you need to control your bike? A. Look at a target you're trying to miss so that you know where it is and can hopefully avoid it. B. So your hands don't slip and you can see your speed. Look at your controls. C. Look where you want to go and the bike will typically steer that way. The correct answer is C. Question 28. When are you not required to wear a safety belt? Select all that apply. A. If you wouldn't be able to remain in control of the vehicle while reversing. B. If you are a taxi driver working for hire. C. If the vehicle you're in travels less than 50 km per hour and you are the driver or passenger in the vehicle that makes frequent stops. D. If you cannot reach the controls with your safety belt on. E. If you have an exemption from a medical doctor for not wearing a safety belt. The correct answer is A, B, C, D, E. Question 29. When you hear a siren or see red flashing lights from an ambulance or fire engine, what must you do? A. If they're driving behind you, speed up so you're not slowing them down. B. Stop where you are immediately. C. Slow down and pull over to allow them to pass. Stop if necessary. D. Slow down and pull your car up on the footpath. The correct answer is C. Question 30. What does this traffic signal mean? A. Stop if you can do so safely. B. Drive faster to get through the junction. The correct answer is A. Question 31. Your hazard lights should be used when. Select all that apply. A. You've come upon slow-moving traffic and have had to stop quick. There's a chance the vehicles behind you won't have enough time to stop and run into you. B. You're changing a tire on the side of the road. C. Your vehicle broke down and is on the side of the road getting towed. D. You've parked on a broken yellow line to pick something up. The correct answer is B, C. Question 32. What should you do when opening your car door if you look in the mirror and see a cyclist? A. The cyclist will be able to see you if you open it slowly. B. Open it quickly and try and get out of the way. C. Wait until the cyclist has passed. D. Toot your horn before you get out to warn the cyclist. The correct answer is C. Question 33. What does this sign mean? A. Uneven road surface ahead. B. Road bump ahead. C. Gravel road ahead. D. Poor road conditions ahead. The correct answer is A. Question 34. Does the driver of the blue car have to give way? A. Yes. B. No. The correct answer is A. Question 35. Does the blue car have to give way? A. Yes. B. No. The correct answer is B.